Hello everybody. In this video we're going to be covering the Unit 6 Week 3 vocabulary for the second grade Wonders story. One of the words in this week's selection is exploration. Say that word with me, exploration. If you go on an exploration, you travel through a place to learn about it. For example, we studied plants during our exploration of the forest. Tell about what you might learn on an exploration of a beach. Okay, write exploration. And for the definition, write act of searching to discover new things. The next word in our selection is important. Say that word with me, important. Something that is important, matters a lot, or is needed. For example, it is important to get a good night's sleep. What are some important things to do in school? Okay, let's write important. And for the definition, write serious, or having great meaning or value. Another word in this week's selection is machines. Say that with me, machines. Machines are tools made of different parts that are used to do a certain job. For example, machines make it easier to cook in our kitchen. Name some machines you have seen. Okay, write machines. And for the definition, write tools made of different parts that are used to do a certain job. Okay, the next word is prepare. Say that with me, prepare. When you prepare yourself for something, you get ready for it. For instance, hitting balls helps Ben prepare for his baseball game. How can you prepare for a big trip? Okay, hit prepare. And it simply means to get ready. Get ready. All right, another word in this week's selection is repair. Say that word with me, repair. If you repair something that is broken, you fix it. For example, the plumber will repair the broken sink. Name some items you sometimes need to repair. Okay, write repair. And for the definition, write fix something. The next word in our selection is result. Say that word with me, result. A result is something that happened because of something else that happened before it. For example, the tree fell over as a result of the storm. So the storm happened and the tree fell over as a result. What else might happen as a result of a storm? That's right, result. And for the definition, right, something that happens because of something else. Okay, the next word in our selection is scientific. Say that word with me, scientific. If you do something in a scientific way, you do it in a careful and orderly way, like scientists do. For example, our scientific study helped us learn about rocks. Tell what else you could learn from a scientific study. Okay, write scientific. And for the definition, write to do something carefully and in an orderly way like scientists do. Okay, the next word in our selection is teamwork. Say that word with me. Teamwork. Teamwork is when a group of people works together well. For example, it takes teamwork to win a baseball game. When have you needed to use teamwork? Why? Okay, right. Teamwork. And for the definition, right, when people work together. All right, so that was the last word of this week's selection. So until next week, I will see you soon.